In today's video, we'll show you two of the most incredible apps we've ever seen. These two apps will allow you to earn up to $1,500 and have it paid directly to your PayPal account. For today's method, all you'll need is a smartphone or a computer. It doesn't matter which one you have. As long as you have one of the two, you're good to go. Make sure you have access to the internet because you'll need it as well. This technique will not necessitate any investment or payment from you, ensuring that our method remains completely free. All you have to do is download the two applications, store them on your device, and then simply collect your money. It's that simple. This is of course available to everyone in the world, regardless of where they work or live. So don't worry if you live in a very remote location. We're confident that these two apps will meet your needs. As always, we'll be revealing some incredible bonus tips and tricks to help you get the most out of this method and make the most money possible. So if you don't want to miss anything, make sure you watch the entire video from beginning to end so you don't get confused with today's strategy. Make sure you don't skip any parts so you don't miss any key facts, since if you do, you're more likely to not receive the outcomes you want. But before we dive into the tutorial, welcome to Online Cash Flow, where we teach you how to make money online fast and easy. Make sure to smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll always be updated whenever I post new content on how to make money online. Please like this video and leave a comment down below if you have any questions and any suggestions. This is the website's homepage and here is how it should look. Now let's take a brief look around this website to learn more about it. A better user testing tool with no subscription or monthly fee is needed. Get better insights from our panel of high-quality testers without an expensive subscription from $60 per user test trusted by over 500 organizations, as you can see here. It's fantastic to know that there are over 150,000 qualified testers worldwide. What sets this website apart from other popular user testing platforms? There is no requirement for a subscription because you will be paid $60 for every test. There are over 40 languages accessible. You can bring your own testers. Advanced demographics are available. Unlimited screener questions are available. Unmoderated and moderated user tests are available. Video highlight reels are available. And audio transcription is provided for those who want it. Earn $10 per test by becoming a tester. Each test lasts 10 to 20 minutes and can be completed on your home computer or smartphone. So read the guidelines below and watch the example video here to see what clients are looking for in a tester, just to make sure you know what is expected of you. Now you must carefully study the guidelines before applying. Otherwise, you may risk wasting your valuable time and not being compensated. The first website mentioned is called userfeel.com. If you are enjoying the video so far, be sure to give us a thumbs up and like the video. Also, down in the comment section, tell me what country you're from so I can do even more videos on how to make money online that will work for you and your area. Now let's look at some information regarding testers in order to better comprehend this website and its possibilities. What are the responsibilities of usability testers? They conduct usability tests on websites. Their job is to picture a given situation and execute specific activities, such as discovering a product in an online store and completing the checkout process. This assists site owners in identifying and correcting usability flaws or bugs. How and how much do I get paid? You'll be paid $10 for each test you conduct following the initial certification test. Following acceptance around 1 week after the exam, you will be paid via PayPal or Amazon gift cards, or whichever method you like. You can customize your profile and choose your preferred payment method, and you can open a PayPal account at paypal.com if you don't have one. How much can I make as a tester every month? Obviously, this isn't guaranteed, but it's something to look forward to. The amount of money you can receive is determined by your tester rating. For the first qualification exam, the user field team rates you. Then for each paid task you do, you will be scored by our clients. The higher your rating, the more tests you'll get. And the number of tests you get will be determined by the number of orders we receive that request your demographic profile. There's no assurance on how many tests you'll get. You could get 5 today or none for a year. So basically, this website and some of the most often asked questions that you might have had, it's very easy to be accepted here, and you can immediately start making money right away. You can quickly sign up to be a tester by clicking here and filling out all of the required information, such as your first and last surnames, your email address twice, and the nation you live in. You'll find all countries from A to Z. Your date of birth, type in your password twice, and your payment method, which you must fill out completely and precisely or you will not be paid. And then you may finish by clicking apply. Wait for an acceptance email, and once you've been accepted, you may start making money with this website and earn over $1,500 each month. So be sure to check out this website. But before we continue with the video, thank you for making it this far. What are your thoughts about the video? Are you getting more excited to earn money online? Let us know. We love to hear from you. Please leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Now back to the video. MoneyApp.org is our second and final website, and it claims complete simple offers and earns money. It can be downloaded on both Android and iOS devices, so don't worry about it. How does it work? The Money app is quite straightforward to use, and collecting some extra cash is as simple as 1, 2, and 3. You earn credit by doing as many jobs as possible within the hot offers period. The tasks vary and include things like watching films, sharing, filling out surveys, and more. We recommend that you check the offers marked as hot because they are updated frequently and provide a lot of credit. You can cash out after your credit balance, shown at the top right of the screen, reaches a certain amount. You can do so by going to the payouts page and requesting a payout to be delivered to your PayPal account. After that, you can relax and enjoy your money. Payouts are made immediately into your account and take about 2 days to 48 hours. When the payout is complete, they will tell you and you can then enjoy your money. So if you look it up in the App Store, you'll notice that it has a 4.9 rating out of 5, which is really good and indicates that the app is absolutely stellar. You may earn money every day because this is the most popular rewards app, and you get rewarded quickly for performing simple activities. You can then use the money to buy things, and it's real money, not vouchers. It's the coolest rewards app since you can earn money for completing tiny tasks, offering views, examining store displays, shopping, testing jobs, free trials, and almost anything. There are new projects added periodically, so you'll never run out of ways to make money. You can do it whenever you want and devote as much or as little time as you choose. There are no difficult tasks to do, and it's a fun and quick way to earn some additional cash. Money app is a fast-paying app that does not require gift cards or coupons. Your PayPal account is credited with actual cash. So those are the 2 websites. Make sure you download them both, sign up, and start earning PayPal money because that's the only way you'll come out looking the way we want you to. So make sure you do that, and that's pretty much it. And that's it. If this video helped you a lot, we appreciate you finishing it until the end. Make sure that you like and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to ring the notification bell so you will always be updated on any videos that we will be uploading. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave any comments down below. Bye!